Welcome back to a day in the life of running Boostly. So Mondays pretty much start out the same. Wake up about 5-6 a.m, get the athletic greens in, get the kids awake. Before I wake them up, I always make sure I read at least a chapter of the book while Rosie has a little play. Then they sort of come down one by one. Frankie was first, managed to get in at least 10 pages of a book that I'm revisiting, $100 million offer. Then it is time for breakfast. Get Rosie set up, and then one by one they all start to appear. Make sure I get that coffee on. I'm trying to go for 90 minutes after waking before having a coffee at the moment. It seems to be working nicely. So boys are up, get them dressed, get them to school. And then today I went to meet Callum at Nando's, came back. Alfie was checking out his new bike, as you can see. And then the Monday is the late session. So I did 3 podcasts back to back with Stacey, Omid.